The flood continue. Ask me say where I dey go like this. I wan go withdraw money for ATM. I go buy food. Now they swim water since. Water don swallow my rainboot wey I even wear. In fact, whoa, this one na ligali ayoride. Now everywhere don dey flood like this. As you can see the situation by yourself. From the extreme of the landmark to the extreme of the ligali ayoride waterfront down to Koyi. This side, the flood continue. For all the same, sha, I wan cross. So I wan go that first bank. I wan go collect money. Oh. I feel like say I don't need another gutter sef. See how they struggle to pass because of flood. But anyway, sha, let me end my recording here. Okay. This trailer go pack water for my body now. How I want to cross now? This kind of movement like this. Wait.